All right, so a question I get asked all the time is what epoxy to use, what kind, what brand, where can I get it? So I use not tabletop, I'm having a day. I use Total Boat epoxy. It's good, great quality, good price. It's not the most expensive. There's a lot more expensive epoxies out there. A lot of people swear by them. There's a lot cheaper epoxies out there. I tend to err on the side of caution when it comes to cheap. This is like mid-range for your average person. This stuff is good, great quality. Everything turns out. First, what I use most, tabletop epoxy. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so you mix 25 ounces of A, mix 25 ounces of part B. Make sure you mix it up real well. It'll turn out. This is for coating tables, small layers up to a 1/4 inch, I believe. Like I said, I use it on flags most of the time. But just make sure you mix it well. If you want to get into silicone molds or deeper pours like a river table, you can use this thick set epoxy. This is also a 1-to-1 ratio. I think it's, if you do small molds, you can pour up to 2 inches. If you're doing a river table, something big, 1/2 inch at a time. Again, a 1-to-1 ratio, easy to mix. And next up is the Fathom Deep Pour Epoxy. This is a 2-to-1 ratio. So you're gonna mix 2 parts A and 1 part B. So you gotta be more careful with that. Make sure your measurements are right. If they're not, you're gonna get soft spots. It's not gonna cure right. You're gonna be wondering what you did wrong. But this stuff turns out really clear. It's a little more expensive, but you can pour up to 2 inches at a time. So this would be, I would say, your best bet if you're doing a deep pour river table or something of that nature. Anyways, this is their lineup of stuff that I use. They have a lot of other products. I don't do business with Total Boat. I'd like to. If you're watching, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to all these products. I don't work with Amazon, but if you look on the shop through the links, buy something that I tag, I make a little something. I'd appreciate that, but I hope this helps anybody wondering what kind of epoxy to use or gives them an idea of what's out there. Thanks for watching. Now we got an audience.